Let us see another connection, that is Scott connection, also known as TT connection, and this is nothing but a conversion of three-phase supply into two-phase supply. So some of application require two-phase supply. For which three-phase supply is converted into two-phase supply by Scott connection. Three-phase is converted into two-phase by Scott connection. Right. Basically, Scott connection uses two single-phase transformer. It uses two single-phase transformers. Right. Namely, main transformer and teaser transformer. So one transformer is known as main transformer, which has center tapped primary, winding, right, and number of turns on primary is N1. Secondary turns are N2. Another transformer is known as teaser transformer, which has root 3 by 2 times of N1 turns on primary, and secondary has same number of turns, N2 turns. So both transformers secondary are having same number of turns. We will see how root 3 by 2 number of turns are there in primary. So before that, let me draw circuit. So I have teaser transformer and I have main transformer, which has center tapped. Center tapped means from the middle we have the winding connection. So these are three-phase supply R, Y, B. It has secondary winding, with N2 turns, and this transformer is also having secondary winding with same number of turns. Right. So this transformer is known as teaser transformer, and this transformer is main transformer. So it has center tap, therefore this is C point, and number of turns here will be N1 by 2, and here also N1 by 2. The primary winding will be divided into equal halves, and number of turns on primary of teaser transformer is root 3 by 2 N1. Right. These are the dots. Current here is IR, here current is IY, and here current is IB. So current from here to here I will write as I YB. Mind you, this IR current is coming, and at this center point it will divide into equal halves, and current here will be IR by 2. Here also current will be IR by 2. Right. Here current is, say, secondary side small IR, and voltage here is VR. Here also current is IY and voltage is Vy. So this is what the connection of 3-phase to 2-phase conversion. 3-phase supply is given here and 2 single-phase supply. See, you here you will get single-phase supply. Here also you will get single-phase supply. So 2-phase supply will be available. We want to see what is voltage available and what is relation between these two voltages on secondary side of both transformers. Right. So I will take main winding transformer primary voltage as a reference. So we have VRY voltage, VRY, which is equal to VYB equal to VBR, and this is line voltage. You can see. What is phase sequence? Phase sequence we are following as R, Y, B. VRY, VYB, VBR. Right. Let me take VYB, that is primary winding voltage of main transformer, VYB, as a reference. So I will have the phasor relation. VYB is here, so it will be VBR and it will be VRY. Right. We can say as VYB is reference, VYB will be line voltage at an angle of 0. VBR, this voltage will lag this voltage by 120. So VL angle minus 120, and VRY will be VL. It will lead this reference voltage by 120. So plus 120. Right. Now this center, due to this center depth, these two voltage across this portion and voltage across this portion will be equal, and that will be total voltage VYB by 2. So I can write here VYC, C point is here, equal to VCB equal to half. I can write here VYC equal to VCB equal to VYB by 2. That is nothing but VL by 2 at an angle of 0. Right. If I apply voltage KVL in this circuit, in this loop, VRC plus VCY will be VRY. So I can write here, you can see voltage here VRC plus VCY equal to VRY. So I can write here VRC plus VCY equal to VRY. Now I want to check the voltage across this, and why the turns are √3 by 2. So for that I will write VRC. I will find VRC in terms of main winding voltage. So VRC will be VRY minus VCY. So VYC is VL by 2, so I can write VCY as plus VYC. So it will be written as VRY plus VYC. What is it? It is VL at an angle of 120 plus VYC is VL by 2. at an angle of 0. So this will be simplified as VRC will be VL, I can take here, half plus 1 angle 120. We know it will be expand as 1 cos 120 plus j sin 120. Cos 120 is minus half, so half and minus half will be cancelled, and sin 120 will be root 3 by 2j. So I can write here it is j root 3 by 2 VL, that is VRC, and that is nothing but root 3 by 2 VL at an angle of 90 also. So we have a reference as VYB and with angle 0. So this is having 90 degrees. So I can write here VRC leads VYB by 90 degree. Along with this, I can draw phasor, voltage phasor. Say this is VYB, right? VYB, and VRY is leading it by 120, so I will write here VRY, and VBR is lagging it by 120, so I can complete like this also. It will be VBR. C point is here, and if C is here, it will be what? VYC, and this voltage will be VCB. They are equal, and this voltage will be, say this is Y, this is R, this is B terminal. So this voltage is VRC. So VRC is this voltage plus this voltage, or in this term we can write this voltage plus this voltage also. So this is what the voltage triangle, and from here we can see that if this is VYB, this voltage VYB, so VRC is at perpendicular 90 degree, right? And from here also, from this calculation, we can say VRC leads VYB by 90 degree. Mind you, VRC is voltage of primary of teaser transformer. So voltage here will be VR on secondary side, and VYB is voltage of primary of main transformer, and VY will be secondary voltage. So I can say secondary voltage of teaser transformer is VR. So VR will also lead secondary voltage of main transformer is VY by 90 degree, right? So this is what? Secondary voltage. And what we have seen from this calculation, that primary of teaser transformer has voltage of root 3 by 2, that is 0.866 times of VL, that is nothing but voltage of VYB. So main winding transformer voltage, primary voltage is VYB, that is nothing but VL, and voltage of teaser transformer primary winding will be root 3 by 2 times of main winding voltage, right? Therefore it has, that is teaser transformer has root 3 by 2 times of turns than that of main winding transformer, right? Along with this, I can write transformation ratio for main winding Km will for main transformer Km will be N2 by N1, and for teaser transformer Kt will be what, N2 by N1. Instead of N1 it has root 3 by 2 N1 turns, so it will be written as 2 by root 3, and 2 by N1 is Km. So what we got, Kt is 2 by root 3 times of Km, that is 1.15 Km. Right, so relation between ratios of both transformer will be like this. For MCQ Km directly you can write it is coming as 0.866 Kt. Along with this, if you follow the circuit, current phasor can also be written, right? So if I have to write Iy current is here, so Iy current will be, current in this direction is Iyb minus this current. I can show here. This was our winding, and this was center tap C point. Current in this direction was Iyb, it is Y, it is B, it is Ib, it is Iy. Current in this direction was IR by 2. Here also current was IR by 2. So I can write Iy as Iyb. Iy is Iyb minus IR by 2. Also Ib can be written as, Ib will be, this current will be minus of IR by 2 minus of Iyb. Both are opposite to this. So minus Iyb minus IR by 2. So I can show this also, and from here also we can see that the two voltages will be perpendicular to each other. So if I draw IR is this current and Iy this is Iy. Iy is at one reference, so it is to 120 degree leading, and this is what, Ib. So if I have to complete this phasor, what is Iy? Iy is Iyb minus IR by 2. So minus IR by 2 will be half of IR and in opposite direction. So half of IR and opposite direction will be vertically downward. So this will be minus IR by 2. Right. So if it is vertically downward, what will be this current? It will be Iyb plus. And Ib is minus Iyb. Iyb is plus Iyb, locus is here, so minus Iyb here, and minus IR by 2, that is downward. So we can see IR and Iyb. IR is main winding current in primary, and Iyb is IR is teaser transformer primary current, and Iyb is main winding primary current. Both are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, secondary current IR and Iy will also be perpendicular. So for unity power vector, you can see if it is locus of it is locus of IR and it is locus of Iy, then VR and Vy will be 90 degree to each other. So this is what Scott connection, where we are getting two phase supply, and the phasor difference between these two phases are 90 degree, right? What is application of Scott connection? So application is where two phase supply is there required. So that is nothing but it is used in arc furnace. Its application is in arc furnace, and it is also used in railways also, where the single phase supply is required for time being, but the system must be scheduled for 3-phase supply. So that's all for Scott connection.